This is how I made props for Spamalot, and if you haven't already, go check out my previous videos. For part 4, we're working on the French taunters helmets. For that, we're going to use a template that I crafted to make 4 different pieces from 6mm foam. But before we start gluing these pieces together, we're going to use an anvil and a heat gun to shape it. So without further ado, let me adjust my chair, move the templates aside, and here we go. We'll start off by heating both sides of the foam to make it malleable and impressionable. Using the foam anvil, we're able to stretch and form the foam into its permanent shape. Forming these now will make gluing them together a whole lot easier. Speaking of glue, we're using contact cement, the best stuff in a cosplayer's toolbox. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, let me explain. By applying contact cement on the seam and letting them dry, we create a strong bond. It's a chemical wonder. The downside is it can be toxic, so if you're using this stuff, have a respirator mask on hand or work in a very open area like outside. Since I'm in a garage, I have to let the garage door wide open. I've learned these techniques from YouTubers all over the internet. And if you like this video, follow for part 5 because